Prime Minister Narendra Modi was felicitated in the NDA, National Democratic Alliance, the BJP ruling alliance partners, their parliamentary party meeting in this morning. Look at those images. There were chants of Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Vande Mataram, not just BJP leaders, but NDA alliance partners. The Prime Minister is reported to have said that the world is tilting in India's favor. And that's a clear signal from the Prime Minister at this NDA parliamentary party meeting. So a day after first US President, he took to social media platform Truth Social to say that tariffs are being brought down to 18% from 50%. And many asked, why is he announcing this? Well, because government sources tell India Today, because America imposed those tariffs, 25% plus 25%. So America announces the reduction from 25% plus 25% now down to 18%. At the core is this breakthrough, Donald Trump's announcement that tariffs come down to 18%. But the government, while it hails it as a big diplomatic win, the opposition has attacked the BJP. The opposition has raised questions about compromising on agriculture sector. You heard Piyush Goyal there saying there's absolutely no compromise, but I get you more on the charges of the opposition and the government's defense in this report.
पचास से सीधा 18% इतना कम हुआ तो उसकी जानकारी तो उधर से ही आएगी।
आपकी मेहनत को नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बेच दिया है।
The world is tilting in India's favor. That's the decisive message Prime Minister Narendra Modi sent at the NDA parliamentary party meeting. This after India and US clinched what is being called the greatest of all deals. At the core of the agreement, a sharp tariff breakthrough. Trump announced the deal on Truth Social, saying the US will cut reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods from 25% to 18%, calling Prime Minister Modi a great friend and claiming it was finalized after direct talks.
Since I arrived in India a month ago, I have repeated many times that the President considers the Prime Minister a true friend. And I mean that. And that is the reason this deal got done so fast, and we've been able to move things along in an incredible direction. I've often said that India and the United States have limitless potential, and that is because of the leadership of President Trump and Prime Minister Modi.
Prime Minister Modi welcomed it, saying cooperation between the world's two largest democracies and two largest economies will unlock growth.
उन्होंने अपने मित्रता के आधार पर भारत के हितों को प्राथमिकता देते हुए और भारत की तेज गति से बढ़ती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था को विश्व के सामने जिस प्रकार से पेश किया है, उसके चलते भारत को ये बढ़िया डील माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में मिली है।
Trump spelled out some conditions: cut Russian oil purchases to zero, buy Venezuelan crude, reduce barriers to zero, give EU-pact like duty-free access to US goods, and commit to buying $500 billion worth of US products. India has not confirmed that claim. US Agriculture Secretary Brooke Rollins said the India-US trade deal would allow Washington to export more farm products to India. Opposition has slammed the BJP government, alleging that BJP compromised on India's interest.
और हिंदुस्तान के जो किसान हैं, आप सब समझिए कि इस ट्रेड डील में आपकी मेहनत को, आपके खून पसीने को नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बेच दिया है।
The opposition also questioned, how can Washington dictate India's oil choices?
American goods at 0%. The agricultural secretary saying that that American agricultural products will now find markets in India. These are very serious questions on which there has to be a proper debate in Parliament, followed by a response from the government.
Government sources tell India Today that agriculture and dairy sectors have been protected and that farmer interests are safeguarded.
मोदी जी ने हमेशा एग्रीकल्चर और डेयरी इन दोनों सेक्टर्स को संभाला है और यूएस ट्रेड डील में भी भारत के जो सेंसिटिव सेक्टर्स हैं एग्रीकल्चर को लेके डेयरी को लेके उनको संरक्षित किया गया है.
The Kremlin says it has heard no statement from India on halting Russian oil purchases, stressing that India remains a key strategic partner and Moscow intends to further deepen that partnership. Remember, back in February 2025, Prime Minister Modi had said India and the US were targeting to double bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030.
आज हमने द्विपक्षीय व्यापार को 2030 तक 2 गुना से भी अधिक बढ़ाकर $500 बिलियन तक पहुंचाने का लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया है.
As politics continues, the stock market is giving a thumbs up, rallying on the deal. And with Modinomics pushing manufacturing and exports, India is being projected as a global bright spot in the shifting world order. With Siddharth Zarabi and Geeta Mohan, Bureau Report, India Today.